to my channel. Today we are going to make a very quick chicken recipe. For that, in a pan I added some oil, in goes some ginger garlic. This recipe will hardly take 10 to 15 minutes to prepare. So we are sauteing everything together. Keep the flame in medium. Added some green chili. I have chopped it roughly. Some chopped onions. We are cooking it in medium flame. Once it's cooked, I'm adding some boneless chicken pieces that I've washed and cleaned, and we are frying the chicken. It will take a little bit time. It's better to take time in this process. Once the chicken is a little bit mixed with onion and garlic, add some garam masala powder, some Kashmiri lal mirch, some turmeric powder, and fry the masalas well with the chicken. Is giving a so beautiful color. So here I have added some chopped tomatoes and some salt. Let's mix all it together. Now for the beautiful smell and taste, I added some coriander leaves. Mix it all well, cook it nicely, and once you realize chicken are cooked nicely, please serve it hot and enjoy.